Very good morning, my friends. I'm sending my wishes of Deepavali, Dhanteras, and I pray for good for all humanity. Let there be peace, happiness, joy, and Satyameva Jayate, meaning truth shall prevail. Law of karma will catch up with every wrong and bring justice. I'm looking at the way the things are going around me. And the first question that comes to my mind is what is really happening? And I felt as if my inner voice told me, don't worry, Almighty is taking care of everything. Everything will come right. All the wrongs shall be punished. This is a time when all the wrongs will get exposed and all the negativity shall come out. I felt very nice after this inner voice told me, you are only able to understand just 1% of the truth. Imagine 99% is unknown to us. We don't know what is the effect of our lives. Look at how the things are being manipulated by the demonic forces. The Hindu saints are getting killed, and the very protector of Hinduism is in the administrative power. And he doesn't even worry to bring the truth out. Sad. But they say, Vinash Kal Vikrit Buddhi. When your mind goes bonkers, it means you are heading towards the end of yourself. Self-destruction starts with that very cruel and arrogance in the mindset of the person. I'm looking at all the factors. I still feel sad. Lives are being lost. People are getting killed. And those rascals sitting in the administrative power are abusing the bloody damn power. If I could, I would have surely thrown the bloody idiots out of the power. I demand for army to take over the nation and bring the main major change. The constitution needs to be changed now. Ambedkar given constitution was a bullock cart we started with. Now the world is in the jet age. We can't walk or move with the bullock cart. We have to make a change. Declare a Hindu Rashtra. Change the whole constitution. Tell the Muslims you will get a non-political status as a citizenship in India if you want to stay here. If you don't want to stay here, you must get out. Your share was given during the partition time, and that's final. All Hindus must unite. Stop being bloody stupid and tolerate the nuisance of these beastly animal demonic powers. We had it enough. We only claiming what is ours. The justice shall prevail, and it must prevail. We cannot allow the nuisance all the time. I'm sad, but I'm also very angry. At the same time, I'm not willing to keep quiet. I'm going to tell every damn Hindu, stop being stupid or you will be enslaved and wiped out. Wake up. Satyameva Jayate. Truth shall prevail. Law of karma shall win. And all the demonic forces shall die, shall perish, shall be eliminated. Thank you.